Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. Thank you all for joining me. So I decided to um, show you guys the spread on how I did my May monthly. Originally, I was going to film it, then I wasn't going to film it. That's why it's kind of like started off camera. But basically what I'm doing is I used three main sticker books for this spread. I used the Press Floral sticker book, the gold sticker book from the Be Happy box that came out last late fall, well, I guess you could say it was late fall. It came in November. And I'm also using, as always, y'all know me, colorful boxes. And then I grabbed a quote sticker from the Happy Quote sticker book and some balloon icons from the Supermom sticker book. So those are all the sticker books I used to create this spread. Oh, I forgot one. That sidebar sticker came from the Girl with Gold sticker book. So basically the main theme of my spread is going to be May flowers, because April showers brings May flowers. So I'm using the paper stickers that came in the Press Floral sticker book, a couple of the colorful boxes from that sticker book, and then I pulled some colorful boxes from the colorful boxes sticker book. That orange box I just put down is going to signify Mother's Day. I used orange because orange is my mother's favorite color. So I figured, it fits. The sidebar sticker is a reflection sticker. It's going to be something for me to go back to and use for my goals, which I am trying to focus on 3 goals every month, and I'm going to break those 3 goals into 3 monthly goals into weekly goals. So 3 goals every month, a personal goal, a financial goal, and a self-care kind of goal. And by self-care, I mean in the mental space. So, what else? Right now I'm going through all of my memory keeping sticker books, trying to find a Mother's Day sticker that I haven't used. And I think I found my very last one for this spread. I'm also going to use a similar monthly box sticker to signify Cinco de Mayo, and also to balance out the page. What I have learned with doing monthly spreads or even a weekly spread, you want to provide balance in your spread. So if you're going to use a square box that size, you kind of want to use something similar on the opposite side of the page. It creates balance for your eyes. Um, so yes, that's kind of what I'm doing right here. Also, this month is heavy on the birthdays. I have 7 birthdays this month, so I want to shout out to my 2 best friends. Their birthdays are this month. My godson's birthday is this month. My uncle, my cousin, the 2 Terrys in my life, their birthdays are this month. And another cousin I have a birthday this month, so I'm kind of excited about that. Happy that that we made it another 365 around the sun together, a part of each other's lives. So I do have that going on. Trying to think, what else is going on this month? Mother's Day, Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo, I plan on getting me some margaritas and getting lit, 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 lit. I mean, honestly, any excuse I can get to have tacos and margaritas, I'm there. I'm there. I'm there for it. Here for it. So on the 17th is one of my cousin's birthdays and my girlfriend's older sister's birthday. So I want to make sure I take note of that so that, we can send them a little something, something, a little blessing or whatever for their birthday. Let them know we appreciate them in all that they do. Now I'm looking through my colorful boxes because I have a lot of male birthdays this month, and the Pressed Florals box has a lot of colorful boxes in it, but all of the colorful boxes have florals in it. So I didn't want to have to keep covering up flowers, so that I had enough writing space. So I used some of the colorful boxes for them. So the first is my best friend's birthday. On the 6th is my cousin and one of my uncle's birthdays. So I want to make sure I notate that. And y'all, I am trying to get better about remembering birthdays and stuff, because my family members know I am not the best at remembering a birthday. Charge it to my head, not my heart. And now that I'm watching this back, I realized I forgot to put a sticker down for my other best friend's birthday. Ain't that something? On the 11th is my girlfriend's father's birthday, so I wanted to make sure I notated that. The 12th is my godson's birthday. And of course, I had to remember that. I need to plan a visit to Cali so I can see him. I haven't seen him since he was a year old, I think. I think he had just turned a year the last time I was in Cali to see him. So I need to see him. I need to see him and spoil him real quick. So now that I have most of my boxes down, I am going to trim the flowers from those two edges from the left and the top, so that I can put them on the bottom and the right hand side. So all the edges are going to be covered in florals. It's going to look like the pages are sitting in a meadow. Or at least that was my thought process behind it. And it's taken me forever to cut the stickers off the page, because I was trying to make sure that I wasn't cutting the actual page, because I haven't been known to do that before in my former life. I was going through some struggles trying to cut these stickers. Girl, hurry up and cut them off and get to the rest. Get to the meat and potatoes. So I would cut them off and then make sure I put them off my scissors and put them on my wax paper, because we're going to use all the things now. No sticker goes unused. So we're going to use all those trimmings that we got to fill in the gaps on other parts of the page. So I'm just getting all those pieces off of the top. And if it's small enough for me to pull off the scissors, it's small enough for me to use somewhere on my spread. So now I got those off, and I'm going to start filling in the bottom with those cuttings. I do believe I ended up going back into the pressed floral sticker book to grab a few more florals to fill in some of the gaps. But for the most part, most of the bottom and the side was filled in with those cuttings. Cuttings? Is that what they're called? With those pieces. We'll just say pieces. With those pieces of the remaining stickers from the top and the side. And I was surprised at myself with this one, because anybody who has watched my planning journey, I have never been a big floral girl. I almost tried to resist the florals in a way, and now I'm using the florals a lot more within my spreads, which I kind of like. Not using florals with the Happy Planner, because I do use majority Happy Planner stickers, kind of limits you because most of their sticker books have some sort of floral in them. So I'm kind of matured a little bit in my planning style, and if I don't like it, it's only there for a week and I can always change it up. Now this big old corner sticker right there, that one gave me trouble. I ended up picking that up and putting that down several times before it found its actual for real home. But I really like how this spread ended up coming out. Now that corner was a little tricky because I didn't want to cover too much of Saturday with the sticker. So I ended up having to, finagle some things, if I do say so myself. So this video is going up on the 1st. So I do want to give a shout out to all my May birthdays. Hope y'all live your lives to the fullest while being safe, as always. And can't wait to enjoy another 365 around the sun with you. Come on, girl, get these stickers on the page. Oh, I think that one I was cutting into pieces so I could just put little pieces in some of the gaps that I was seeing, because that sticker was all kind of wonky. Once you cut it off, it looked a little retarded if I would have just put it on the page with the 2 petals, just because the way the flower was shaped for that one. So I kind of stuck some pieces here and there and here to fill in some of the gaps. Now I'm taking that same big flower sticker that I had before, and I'm trying to figure out how I can get it in this corner with using most of the sticker, but the way, because it was cut kind of funny looking, I wanted to make sure that I got it decent corner of the page, because I don't have nothing going on the 29th, and I don't really write in my monthlies. Once I decorate it and get my important dates on there, I use it for reference. I don't really fill it in that much unless there's something going on that I absolutely need to make sure that I write. So now over here, I'm just trying to get that right side covered, and I was trying to use smaller flowers because I didn't want to encroach upon those days too much. I wanted to make sure I still left a little bit of writing space. So that took me a little bit to get together. I'm gonna be honest with you. It took me a little while to get it all the way together. I love the way these florals are in this sticker book. I will be honest. This book kind of caught me. I love the way the florals are in this sticker book. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm kind of just getting my life together. Doing these florals on the edge. At that point, I had used most of the cuts pieces that I had. So I did have to go and pull some fresh stickers for me to use to finish this edge of the page. And I ended up using the pieces left over from this to decorate my gold boxes and those top 3 boxes on the page. So it ended up working out pretty well, if I do say so myself, Like I said, no piece of sticker goes unused. I wanted to try to make sure I used up as much as I could of the stickers. Comment down below if you have started out planning in one style and you've gradually started to see a change in the way you plan, because that's something that I've been noticing as I've been gotten back to recording more videos and stuff. I've noticed my planner style is kind of changing a little bit, and to be honest, I kind of like it. I like that I'm changing up my planning style from week to week, where it doesn't look exactly the same. Like my first planner, every spread for the most part kind of looked similar. So I'm glad that I'm starting to see a little bit of a change in how I plan. So this is the finished product. I went and used, like I said, the balloon stickers from the Supermom and put those on all the birthdays. And thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye now. Wait. Don't forget, live your life exquisitely, one plan at a time. Bye now.